This video brought to you by Yida Motors, a premium Amazon seller of truck and Jeep parts, light bars and floor mats, bed covers and bumpers. Yida Motor has what you need. Check out a link to their store in the description below, and be sure to stay tuned towards the end of this video for a special discount code.
Welcome back, everybody. A little bit different video today. I got some stuff in my truck. I had a company reach out to me, wanted to send me some new headlights for my truck in cooperation for a video. I said absolutely. So Yida Home, Yida Motor sponsoring this video. Let's check out what they sent me. All right, so I've got a full replacement set of headlights for the Chevy, both the bottom and the top. Does not come with the bulbs, but it is an updated sort of reflector style there in the back, so that's pretty cool. It's got the adjustment things on there that look to be very high quality. Same plastic housing as the factory, but those look pretty good. So let me show you the ones on my truck currently, what those look like. All right, I take pretty good care of my headlights. I've sanded these down a few times and put some clear coat on them, but they're definitely pitted. They're not yellowed like a lot of headlights get, but these are definitely pitted, so this can be a good upgrade for me. So let's see how easy this is going to be. I think it's going to be a pretty simple install. Let's get to it. All right, just a quick overview. This is a 2003 Silverado half-ton. These headlights should fit anywhere from I'm going to say 02 to maybe 06 and a half. I don't think they're going to go 01s. They had that more rounded body style back then. So 02, 03 up to 06 and a half. Maybe it's 07 and a half. You know, I think there was that changeover year. I think maybe it's 2007. They switched over to that new style. So these should fit in all these. It's going to be the same on both sides, obviously. And for this top one, all you do is grab this bar right here and turn this upwards and pull the bar out. And then the headlight literally just pivots forward and lifts out. And disconnect your headlights. I'm just going to twist them out since I'm not going to replace these. I'm just going to go ahead and twist them out. Make sure you keep them separated, obviously. You got one high beam, one low beam. All right, that was super easy. Okay, for the bottom headlight, you don't have to take off any of your grill or any of that. So if you, let me see if I can zoom in here. A little hard to see. Right there. Right here, there's a little tab. And what you want to do with your finger is push it this way. And simultaneously, you're going to pull out on the headlight. I can get both fingers in there. There we go. And that headlight just pops right out like that. Again, we're going to loosen our bulbs here. These are the running lamps and the turn signals. That one looks a little rough. I think I'll change that one. And then you got your marker light here on the side as well. Just like so. Okay, installation obviously just opposite of the removal. Now I did replace the bulbs. The original bulbs have an amber coating on them. I got the new upgraded ones, which are amber colored glass actually. So there's nothing gonna peel off of these. So we're gonna get new bulbs in these. I'm gonna take advantage of that time while I have these out. I'm not gonna change the headlights. You know, headlight bulbs are quite spendy anyway, and those work just fine. And honestly, if I was going to change them, I'd probably change everything to LED. And I'm just not going to do that right now. So we're going to get these bulbs in place. And then there's a, let's zoom in here. There's this tab right here, and that's going to slip into the slot in the body right there. And then you're just going to engage that clip again. Right there, give it a nice little shove. Done. Check it for level. Looks pretty good. Cool. Let's get the top one. Now the top one has these two tabs right here, and they're going to fit into these slots. There's one here and there's one there. So go ahead and get your bulbs in. And the harness on these should be pointing down, by the way. The wiring harness plug should be pointing down when you're all done. Just like that. Everything's facing downward. And we're going to get those slots lined up. Cable out of the way. Like so. This will slide right in between, right there. Let's just check it for level. Gap looks even across the bottom. Let's grab our little bar. And a little finagling. And then fold that bar over and make sure that sticks right in that slot right there. It'll keep that bar from backing out. So there you go, that's nice and secure. Looks pretty good. Let's do the other side. Cool, installation done. Let's check them out. Yeah, they look excellent. Nice and clear. Love it. Good job, Yida Home. All right, these look fantastic. Really impressed with the quality. Really am. And you would never know that these were not a factory headlight. They went right in. They fit perfectly. They look great. The gaps are consistent. You would swear that I bought this right from Chevrolet. So they look great. Now, word of caution, of course, if you need to take it to a mechanic and have your headlights aimed, I'm going to go out tonight, just check them out, make sure they're not shooting too high. I might make a few adjustments, but if you're not comfortable with that, then certainly take it to a dealer or a mechanic and have them aim the headlights for you. All right, they look super great. Really impressed. Good job, Yida Motors. All right, that would do a little drive. See how the lights look. I definitely got a little clarity with the new lens on there. Made it a little brighter. Looks pretty bright. Here's the brights, and it look fantastic. Yeah, really happy with these. Glad I did it.
Once again, thanks to Yida Motors for sponsoring today's video. We appreciate it. Be sure to check out their store on Amazon, link in the description below. And I have a special coupon code for you. Link in the description for 10% off on the product shown in today's video. Thank you all very much. I hope you're having a great day, and be sure to subscribe.